Hello.
Hi, how are you?
I'm very well. What's up with you?
Chilling, having a good Thursday.
और किसी ने अगर स्कूल में बोला होता इतने साल बाद एक एक्सटेंडेड समर हॉलिडे मिलेगी 60 दिन आप कहीं नहीं जा पाओगे तब आप कैसे रिएक्ट करते?
No chance. You would never believe it. कभी नहीं. But yeah, अब हो गया ऐसे तो might as well take advantage of it.
Absolutely. And I've spoken to your mom who told me that she's so happy to have you home. But आपके घर में इतना अच्छा खाना पक रहा है. So is it from the kitchen to the gym? Because I see the family working out also and eating that fabulous food.
Yeah, all of us have really been working out, getting back in shape. I changed a lot for my other roles. I'd become a little chubby because I was playing a younger boy and not with action background. So I had to put on a little weight to make it look like a chubby boy. Uh, so just getting back to fitness और अच्छा लग रहा है. Even mom works out, dad works out, grandparents also are doing yoga.
Wow.
तो माहौल अच्छा है और फिर then everyone enjoys eating also because everyone is feeding each other. Like I made mango ice cream for my granddad today. मतलब last
Wow.
night I made it. अभी आज सुबह ready हो गया.
आप इतने फिट हो, मैंगो नाइस क्रीम बनाई थी विदाउट शुगर, जस्ट मैंगो एंड कोकोनट मिल्क टाइप्स.
या मेरे जो रेसिपीज है वो थोड़े हेल्दी हो जाते हैं बिकॉज माय कॉन्शियंस इज टू स्ट्रांग. आई वाज अ मैं बहुत ही हेल्दी तो नहीं कहूंगा, मोटा था बचपन में. तो वो डर बैठ चुका है. तो वो डर से आई एम ऑलवेज लिटिल कॉन्शियस अबाउट व्हाट आई एम ईटिंग और व्हाट आई एम फीडिंग समवन एल्स आल्सो.
Yeah,
तो
which is true. That's
या
even I have that fat me in my head, and that never leaves you, you know.
आई मीन आई हैव डेज वेयर आई एम लाइक
देखा जाएगा.
हाँ राजा भोज सब खाएंगे आज, सबका खाना लाओ.
And there'll be days when you'll work on saying, नहीं नहीं, I have to eat clean. Yes, mindset ऐसा है ना.
या बिल्कुल.
अभी किसी ने मुझसे एक सवाल पूछा आपसे पूछने के लिए,
हाँ,
if you could
हाँ,
freaky Friday with your mom, what is the
yeah.
first thing you would do?
Usually a movie and a dinner.
Oh,
An animated movie because mom loves animated movies and it's a tradition. हम लोग सारी animated movies साथ में देखते हैं. सारी cartoon films जो theaters में लगती है वो साथ में देखते हैं. And dinner because yeah.
will you cook or will she cook?
No, we'll go out for dinner. We'll go out for dinner.
And what were you if you two got swapped? You know,
हाँ,
like your mom became you and you became her. फिर क्या होगा?
हाँ. Pranutan saying hi.
I know you were on her chat. She's come on yours. अब मुझे चश्मा पहनना पड़ेगा because to read the.
Yeah. If I was mom and mom was me,
Yeah, swap हो
so
गया. तो फिर क्या था?
first thing she would do is clean my cupboard. No. And if I was mom, first thing I would do is what do I do? I'd sign some films.
But you were working on Nikamma, the famous neighborhood Nikamma. Which
Yeah.
one of the characters are you? Are you that मर्द को डर नहीं होता or are you Nikamma?
Right now?
What are you actually?
Right now I'm Abhimanyu. Both my characters, Adi from Nikamma and Surya from मर्द को डर नहीं होता, very very different personalities. और दोनों अभिमन्यु से बिल्कुल नहीं मिलते. मतलब थोड़ा बहुत यहाँ वहाँ है, बट आई मीन आई हैव नेवर बिन एन एब्सोल्यूट निकम्मा जो आदि है निकम्मा में. और सूर्या तो एकदम गुडी टू शूज है और मैं वैसा भी नहीं था, तो
No, you're
हाँ
saying something.
सॉरी
Yeah.
आप कुछ कह रहे थे.
No. I just wanted to know, is it very difficult when you have characters that you cannot relate to? And sometimes, it's the thing, I mean, what the hell is he thinking? How could he do that? Does that conflict come?
I haven't faced a character as such yet.
Okay.
No, but actually, yes. For Aankh Mein Choli, there were certain scenes where the character behaved a certain way due to the script, which I was like, मैं होता तो ये नहीं करता,
Yeah.
you know. But yeah, priorities are different. कोई लोगों के लिए कुछ ज्यादा जरूरी है, कोई लोगों के लिए कुछ जरूरी, you know. तो वो पहचानना और वो उतना 100% बिलीव करना बहुत जरूरी है एक्टर के लिए when you're playing the character. और yeah, director is always the captain of the ship, जो वो कहे that is the last word. So then
And you apparently learned the Kapera for Nikamma, yeah? That's quite
yeah.
like quite a difficult form, na?
Yeah, I wanted to bring something new and different from the action in Mard Ko Dar Nahi Hota, and you'll be able to see it in Nikamma because I've used that kind of form. Shayoni is there online. Hi, I see
सुशी
you.
खाते हैं भाई, चल सुशी खाते हैं.
हाँ, चलो चलो. जैसे ये लॉकडाउन खत्म हुआ, I promise I really owe you some sushi. But yeah, so I wanted to change it because काफी action similar हो जाएगा. You know, a person is doing the same action doesn't look nice. When the character is different, the traits, the physicality of the character also changes. So I wanted to bring about new body language to the character and new form of fighting. मतलब उसका stance अलग होगा, उसका reactions अलग होंगे fight के time पे, उसका हाथ और पैर अलग हिलेगा आदि का. तो हाँ, इसलिए मैंने
अभी किसी ने ये लिखा, you are also a romantic writer.
I wrote one article on what I feel new age love is and should be. It's there on my profile. But yeah, it's one of those nights when you're overthinking और मैं सोचा कि क्या यार ये, let's put all this to pen and paper. And
वैसे न्यू एज लव क्या है यार? इंस्टाग्राम, स्नैपचैट एंड व्हाट्सएप. लव तो होता था ना मैंने प्यार किया के टाइम पर. दैट वाज लव एज आई डिस्कस विद योर मम टू.
इसलिए मैंने वो लिखा है. एक्चुअली I disagree with the change in love, and I feel you have to put a lot of effort into anything for it to be right, but people are ready to move on to the next thing very easily nowadays. So just wanted to put that across in my own words ki, and by love I don't mean you have to be in a relationship with someone. Yes. But can be any relationship, whether it's with your parents or something. It's the effort has to be two-sided, you know. तो उसी बारे में मैंने कुछ थोड़ा बहुत लिख लिया. Hi Devika, how are you?
Somebody has also said you are a bathroom singer, and somebody also wants to know your favorite pastime.
My really close friend Adit Zaveri is also online, so I'm going to say hi to all these guys. But what is my favorite pastime? Watching shows, listening to music, watching football, working out. These are my favorite things to do. And
he's misty. Pranutan has written he's misty. ये बता दो यार, what is he's misty?
I don't know यार, this Pranutan, I don't know what she's saying. What is misty?
He's also a good poet. There's so many things that are coming for you. Good poet, bathroom singer. He's also misty. I'm not a poet, but I'm an overthinker, like a lot of people. Gulshan's here. Gulshan's in the house. So I'm an overthinker, and I like, sometimes I put these thoughts into words, and I call it Truth Fairy. So I post about Truth Fairy about once a week, but it's there on my highlights. What do you actually think? I mean, आज इस टाइम में तो हम सब ओवरथिंकर्स बन गए हैं. किसी को आपके आजकल दिमाग में क्या चल रहा है सबसे ज्यादा?
In introspection, to see where all I have come, what I've gone through, and how I can better myself. Like, I'm really working on patience, the amount of patience I have, and to let go of things, you know.
Difficult. That's difficult to do.
Yeah. Huh? Yeah, but no, I believe I'm in a much better space now. I had a lot of strategies in my head कि ये साल निकम्मा रिलीज होगी, फिर आँख में चोली आएगा, फिर ये होगा, फिर मैं ये करूंगा, and but I chalked out a full 5-year plan, but you know, and that's definitely not happening now. So yeah, I've just said let it take its course, and we'll figure it out when it has to happen.
Which is true.
Anish is also there. What's happening? Have you seen his phone call videos that he's put up? They're hilarious.
No, I haven't. I'll check that out. मैं पूरा दिन यही
प्लीज
करती हूँ, लाइन अप करती हूँ और इंस्टा लाइव्स करती हूँ यार, सोचो।
मैं आपको भेजूंगा, बहुत
ठीक है।
बहुत बहुत फनी है वीडियोस उनके, बहुत फनी है।
अब बहुत इतने अच्छे अच्छे आपके कमेंट्स आ रहे हैं, नाइसेस्ट गाय अराउंड, बाथरूम सिंगिंग, क्या गाने गाते हो ये भी तो बता दो, कुछ गा के सुना दो।
मैं बाथरूम में ओवर थिंकिंग करता हूँ, गाता नहीं हूँ। ये सिंगिंग का पता नहीं कहाँ से आया है।
Gulshan is saying such a positive chap you are.
We're both big Arsenal fans, Arsenal supporters, which is an English football club.
I know.
Um,
मेरे
yeah,
घर में
and
आर्सेनल और चेल्सी का वो वॉर लगा रहा
हाँ,
होता रहता
तो
है।
we don't have a choice. We have to be positive ना। हम लोग हर साल बोलते हैं कि अगला साल हमारा साल है, तो
हाँ, वो आर्सेनल के साथ ऐसे ही चल रहा है, अगला साल हमारा साल।
so we have to. It is very important for us to be positive.
Yeah, which is true.
Otherwise
Even
depression
for
होने
the sake of your football club. वैसे अब बताओ, आप स्पोर्ट्स फैंस के लिए फुटबॉल में होगा क्या, कैसे देखोगे मैचेस अपने for some time?
So नहीं, the German Bundesliga is starting in a month, and slowly EPL will also start. All the tournaments will start. They'll probably start with no audience in the stadiums, and then slowly they'll have separate rows, alternate rows, alternate seats. But yeah,
It's going to be crazy, na?
sports are important because I think sports is the one place where we truly excel in terms of the abilities of mankind. uh, and we always push to become better in every way. And I have the highest regard for all athletes. They have the most amount of discipline, dedication required in any professional stream of work.
And I also
So
say,
highest,
saw Gulshan put Guna for life, हाँ, so Guna के fan हो आप दोनों।
yes, ma'am.
चलो, मेरे को भी थोड़ा थोड़ा फुटबॉल के बारे में समझ है, मैं ज्यादा नहीं, वर्कआउट तक रखो, so that's fine. So anything else you're doing, any courses or any online? Everybody seems to be learning a new language, acting
Yeah.
courses, direction. तो आप क्या कर रहे हो?
I'm not doing acting courses. I'm doing more of spiritual courses. So I'm doing one on manifesting and abundance,
ये
which is
कौन
a
सा कर रहे हो,
21-day
मुझे भी
course.
बताओ। मैं तो हमेशा एक
Um,
डाउट लगा देती हूँ अपने मैनिफेस्टेशन और अबंडेंस में कि हो ना पाएगा।
नहीं, you have to believe in it. मैं आपको भेज दूंगा. I'll
ठीक
send
है।
you the 21-day course. And I just started a new one today. I just submitted my application for Yale University.
Wow.
So yeah, doing a self-actualization course at Yale.
I'm very
today.
impressed, yeah. I'm very impressed. अभी किसी ने पूछा 8 पैक बनाने की तरकीब बता दो। And how
मंगा लो।
Gulshan has said how to
देखो,
spiritually
आगे से
manifest
लेफ्ट लो,
abs.
आगे से लेफ्ट लो, लेफ्ट लेके यू टर्न आता है, सिग्नल पे राइट हैंड साइड पे दुकान है, वहां मिलते हैं एप्स।
Gulshan has said how to spiritually manifest abs.
Just call me up. They call me abs. That's
अच्छा,
my
अभी
pet name.
how to look cute. ये भी पूछा गया, आपको कोई फैन पूछ रहा how to look cute.
When someone looks at you, look down, and then look up again and smile.
I know the 5 questions we are not supposed to discuss because I'm personally myself very tired of them too.
Thank you. Thank
Yes,
you.
I know. But
सब लोग क्वारंटीन में सब सेम चीजें कर रहे हैं।
सब सेम चीज कर रहे हैं,
सब
सब
same
पिक्चरें देख
चीजें
रहे हैं,
कर
वर्कआउट कर रहे हैं, खाना खा रहे हैं। अब किसी ने पूछ लिया व्हाट्स नेक्स्ट मूवी, अब मैंने नहीं पूछा, किसी ने पूछा।
Well, next movie, guys, निकम्मा आ रही है। Second half of the year जैसे भी थिएटर्स खुलेंगे, we'll release निकम्मा in theaters. आँख में चोली आ रही है, which is a fun film, comedy film, full family entertainment. तो फिलहाल ये 2 पिक्चर हैं जो दोनों थिएटर्स में आएगी, बट जब थिएटर्स खुलेंगे तब देखा जाएगा।
You know, I wanted to ask you that we met during the promotion of मर्द को दर्द नहीं होता. After the movie, who was the proudest amongst your family members and who was the most critical about your performance? I was curious to know that.
Proudest, I think, has to be mom.
Yes.
Without a doubt. मतलब उनके तो I don't think she's seen the film also. She just sees Abhimanyu on the screen. So the most critical, I think, would be dad.
Okay.
Also, it wasn't his type of a film.
What did he
So-
want you to do on मैंने प्यार किया type of movie?
100%. हाँ, बस हीरो आ गया, अभी शॉट फाड़ देगा, 4 गाने डाल दो बीच में, उसमें से एक पंजाबी रीमिक्स होगा और but yeah, so some of that also.
Somebody has asked your favorite childhood memory.
Playing football, yeah. Playing football in the rains.
Wow. Actually, well, hopefully we'll get out and you should do that. Any plans to buy a football club, let's say, in the near future?
I would like to buy shares at least for some football club. That's definitely in the dreams.
And also, other than that, like, अगर मैंने प्यार किया अभी बनती with you as Salman.
मैं करता ही नहीं.
अच्छा.
मैं करता ही नहीं. You don't touch legendary things. That's why they're legends, na.
Which is true. Which is true.
आप रहने दो ना.
But also, tell me something. Do you think the way we consume narratives, films, is going to change post this? The kind of movies, kind of stuff that we are going to consume.
There's going to be a lot of push on content for sure. It has increased or fast tracked the advantage of having content, I think, about 3 years. Obviously, for BNC centers, you are going to have the mass Bollywood commercial films, which are required. But a lot more usage or consumption will happen on OTT.
Yeah. And we are seeing a lot of films now going to be, I mean, today was Gulabo Sitabo, Lakshmi Bomb, movies releasing on OTT. Do you think it's like good or bad? Because box office is also important, but on the other hand, you have this film, you're not judged by numbers, it's there for, posterity.
I mean, the producers are still making money. That's why they would put it on OTT. Yeah. There's a huge dependence on staying relevant and relevance. That's why people are going out of their way to do things every single day to be in the eyesight of people and of the audience. So I think OTT, whoever has a film ready for the next 6 months, it's great to release on OTT. At least you're in people's mind. Otherwise, the audience forgets you like this. There's just so much competition. But yeah, I think that's one definite reason why people are doing it. And of course, it takes a lot of money to make a film. And if you have the film ready, then you have to pay the investors. And otherwise, the principal and the interest keeps increasing. So, better to release that. And everyone's making money on the OTT thing for sure. So when you talk about numbers, and I always talk about art, and you can't correlate art and numbers. You can't really, because the best of the films haven't made so much money, and the worst of the films have made a lot of money.
Which is true.
But when you look 5 years down the line and you look 10 years down the line, you don't remember these big films, but you remember good films.
True. Also, somebody's asked any of your projects coming on the OTT platform. And somebody else also wants to know how to marry you. दो सवाल आए हैं. शादी का प्रस्ताव दिया है.
हाँ, mom would be a good bet to start our conversation over there on marriage. But yeah, what was the other thing?
Any of your projects on any web series that you plan to work on, or any something on the digital platform?
Mard Ko Dar Nahi Hota is there on Netflix, guys. Please watch it. But no, nothing as of now. If something interesting comes up, if something challenging comes up, I would love to do something. For me, an OTT platform or movie or that doesn't matter, as long as it's a challenge for me to play the character, and that kind of cinema is pushing the envelope of conversation that I want to be associated with. I would love to do it.
Somebody is asking when is Nikamma releasing? अभी हम भी वेट कर रहे हैं वो एक बार लॉकडाउन खत्म हो जाए.
हाँ, जैसे मुझे पता है मैं प्रॉमिस आप लोग को बता दूंगा.
Somebody has asked one thing on your bucket list.
Wow. Owning an apartment in either London or New York.
Wow. San Francisco is also not bad, huh? That Lombard Street.
It's very expensive.
Manifest, no.
Yeah. No, actually, I don't mind LA also.
And which is that one thing you can cook really well and your guilty pleasure?
Well, I can cook a lot of things. Sorry for blowing my own trumpet here. But yeah, Oreo cheesecake. I think it's what I started cooking with. And yeah.
Wow, yum, yum.
That's how I put out my first girlfriend.
I
So
mean,
I
I
think
think
it's good.
the
I think it's
Sani
good.
household is where we should be, you know, all that food and
Mm.
working out, yeah. So
Yeah.
anything you've been
Anything
watching?
shirtless. I can cook anything well shirtless. Because I put up a name for the chef. I call myself the shirtless chef.
Oh, okay. Maybe you can even start a restaurant and a series called The Shirtless Chef, yeah?
Well, someone's asked me for motivation for working out. Guys, there is no such thing as motivation. I think it's about showing up. And when you show up, motivation comes automatically. Wear your gym clothes, get warmed up, start some music, and get on your mat. That's
Which
it.
is true.
Everything else just will come to you. You just
Which
need to
is
get ready and stand there, be there, get ready.
So I'm going to ask you one typical question. One thing that you like about the lockdown and one thing that it's got on you. Good or bad?
Uh, well, good thing is I get to spend a lot of time with family and get to introspect in how I want to move ahead. Bad thing is, यार काम अटक गया है. So missing work a lot because I'm a workaholic. So keeping yourself busy is definitely a task. And but it's okay to let go of things, which I've learned in this lockdown.
Which is
Yeah.
so important. So anything you've been watching, Abhimanyu, can you recommend that we should watch?
Uh, I've been watching a lot of Japanese anime shows, which not everyone would enjoy, but I definitely recommend My Hero Academia for anyone who likes Japanese anime shows. That has been a really good. I just watched Hollywood on Netflix,
Is it good?
which
Everyone's
is
recommending it.
it's pretty good. It's pretty good. I liked it. It has a lot of twists and turns. Um, there is there's a show called The Night Manager on Amazon, which is fantastic. It's a thriller. I loved it. Yeah, these are some shows. Modern Family is there, guys. Rewatch Modern Family, Brooklyn Nine-Nine for comedy. You know, that's definitely. I watch one episode of each at night before going to sleep. Kind of lightens the mood.
True. अभी
But
किसी ने
yeah.
जाते जाते एक सवाल पूछा, who would you like to be paired opposite in your next film?
There are so many young actresses who I haven't worked with and I think are really fantastic actors. Sanya Malhotra is really good. I think she's a fantastic actor. My friend Pranutan is there. I think she did really well in her first film. Well, Alia Bhatt is always a dream to watch, and she lights up the screen every time she comes on screen. So I don't know about pairing with her, but would love to do a film with her. She was my junior in school, so
Really?
yeah.
Wow. Anyways,
And when
Abhimanyu,
she was releasing her first film, I was an assistant director, and we happened to be shooting in the same studio. So she came to know I was shooting over there, and she called me to her vanity van. So I went over there. And I was like, "Congratulations! I'm really looking forward to watching your movie." And she's like, "Abhi, when are you coming?" I said, "I'll take some time, a few years." She's like, "No, but you're so good. Like, I can't wait to see you." I said, and then says 7 years, 6 years later, I got my film out.
अब तो पढ़ाई भी तो करनी थी. That was माँ को वादा पूरा करना था ना. Which she admitted to. She
Yeah.
said that was the condition. Well,
Yeah.
thank you so much, Abhimanyu. And it's nice how the
My
artists are the ones that we've been banking on, because if it wasn't for OTT platforms, we would have had no entertainment. And
Ma'am,
also,
on this topic, it's extremely important that artists are not treated as role models, which has happened for the past few years in terms of every way of life.
Yeah.
I don't think that responsibility is on artists, but the responsibility that artists have. In Hindi, they're called kalakars,
yeah,
which literally, if you break down the word, means kal ka akar. So we are shaping tomorrow.
yeah.
So that is the responsibility of conducting ourselves and what we need to put out over there to kind of shape society, and in those terms we need to be responsible on how the information and knowledge that we kind of process and distribute.
And you've been standing up for a whole lot of causes, yeah, thalassemia and everything. You've been standing up for a lot of causes.
Ma'am, I do what I can,
Yeah, true.
and
I mean, what you can
and
in your capacity, what you can is good enough. Yeah. Nobody should be sitting in judgment of the other. That's what I feel in this time, because everybody is doing as much as they can.
yeah, as long as you know that whatever you're doing, the effort, or whether it's monetary or whether it's in any way, is going to the right people,
True.
you know, because of corruption, a lot of times charities don't actually end up going to the people that really require it.
True.
And well, I hate doing anything with a camera on me in those terms, so
Yeah.
I like to do it as and when I can and however I can.
Anyways,
So
more power
yeah,
to
guys,
you.
whoever's doing it, please help yourself out. That's the most important thing. I think take care of your house is priority. You can have the biggest heart, but make sure that first you take care of your house, you take care of your people, and then you can take care of everyone else. Because if you take care of yourself, you're automatically taking care of everyone else in this situation.
Which is true. Thank you so much. More power to you. Hope to see you in person soon. Somebody's just called you the shirtless philosopher.
मैं निकाल दूं क्या? अभी इतने मेरे messages आ गए. Everyone's, and it's all my friends who are doing this. It's all my friends.
Anyway, thank you so much, Abhimanyu.
Yeah.
Stay safe and hope to see you in person. And see, I
Thank
didn't
you. My
answer my
pleasure.
questions.
Thank you for doing that. See you.
Bye. Take care. Bye.
Bye.